El mixiote is one of those dishes that feels like it was made to be passed down. It comes from the heart of central Mexico, Hidalgo to be exact, and it's traditionally cooked by wrapping meat in the mixiote. A thin membrane from the maguey plant, then steaming it slowly with spices and chilies until it's tender, juicy, and full of soul. But here's something you need to know. Unauthorized extraction or destruction of maguey is illegal. Using its skin for culinary purposes without the proper permits can lead to prison time and heavy fines. When they strip the plant for mixiote skin, they ruin the entire leaf, leaving it unusable for other traditional products like aguamiel, pulque, or fibers like ixtle. So if you can't get mixiote in a legal way, parchment paper is your best friend for this recipe. It's one of Mexico's oldest cooking techniques, and today we're gonna make it. The list of ingredients will be in the video description, so let's get started. Remove the stems and seeds from all your dried chilies. It doesn't matter if they break, we will put them in the blender later. In a pot, heat peanut oil, or another oil with a high smoke point. Add some garlic, then add the chilies and toast them in the oil until they become aromatic and slightly change color. Once toasted, add hot water directly to the pot. Turn off the heat and let the chilies steep for 10 to 15 minutes until softened. In a blender, combine the softened chilies, garlic, oregano, salt, and the Mexican MSG, chicken bouillon. Add a little steeping liquid to get a watery paste consistency. Blend until smooth. Place your chicken thighs in a bowl or tray. Pour over the chili marinade and coat each piece thoroughly. Cover and refrigerate until you lose patience, or ideally overnight. Fun fact, in Mexico, it is common to observe that much of the commercially available chicken has a distinct yellow hue. This coloration is widely perceived by consumers as an indicator of free-range chicken, an association rooted more in cultural belief than in nutritional analysis. To meet this consumer expectation, poultry producers often supplement chicken feed with lutein, a carotenoid compound derived from the marigold flower, specifically Tagetes erecta, known locally as cempasúchil. Lutein is not only food safe, but also serves a dual purpose. It enhances the visual appeal of the poultry by imparting a yellow pigment to the skin and fat, and it contributes to ocular health in avian species by helping to prevent degenerative eye conditions. I will be using mixiote, but parchment paper will suffice. On each parchment square, place a previously marinated chicken thigh, and wrap the parchment into a secure bundle and tie it with kitchen twine. Place your bundles into a steamer basket. Steam over medium heat for about 1.5 to 2 hours. The chicken should be tender and infused with all those beautiful spices. Carefully unwrap and serve directly from the parchment. Plate it with rice and warm tortillas. And that's it. Mixiote made simple, but with all the soul and depth this dish deserves. If you've never had it before, this is your sign. Cheers, friends.